Hi, good morning guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and in case you're new here, kindly subscribe, like, share and leave us a comment. On today's video is another super special video guys. I'm coming live and clear from Mombasa, Kenya. Actually, this is how you see Mombasa, but actually this is not its usual situation. Reason being, watch this video to the end and you really know why is Mombasa today just this way. It seems to be a dull city today. It seems to be very dull. Nobody, no much matatus working, not a lot. So actually there's something that is happening around here in which you're going to know in this video. And actually at this place I'm at the bus station. I'm waiting for my brother and my sister and my lovely son. They'll be arriving today at this time, and it's a coincidence that something is going to happen today and they are arriving. So I just came to take care of them before it happened. We are actually running out of time because we were told by 7:30 all roads will be closed. So hopefully we won't be under the lockdown before we cross by to see our lovely family. But anyway, subscribe, like, share and leave us a comment. I really appreciate your love and support. I'm even just trying to blink my eyes because I see a lot of police cars and police force cars passing around, because we are told everything will be harnessed down, you know. Some roads will be harnessed down and people just evacuated for 1.2 kilometers away from what's going to happen. Actually, there's a building that was being built, a building like this in Mombasa, Kenya, and unfortunately I think the engineers did their own things. The engineers did their own wrong things. I don't know if the engineer is the soil, but according to what is being told, that the engineer never followed the protocols that was happening, so the building collapsed. So it's bending, so it's almost going to fall. So today the Mombasa County government have decided to bring the house down, to put it down. But the solution that they're going to use, the method that they're going to use to put the building down, which is shocking a lot of the residents around Mombasa, because people are told to evacuate or to just how can I say, to move from one side to another in a measure of 1.2 kilometers, in the circumference of 1.2 kilometers, because they are going to use what you call like a bomb. You know, I'm sorry to hear this, because with me, I used to watch bombs in movies and read about bombs in history, according to Hiroshima and Nagasaki in those days in the World War. But today we are going to hear the bombshell in our second capital city, that is Mombasa city. The building is going to be brought down by bombs. Imagine guys, have you ever heard about a bomb, or have you ever seen a live bomb? So before that, I'll just take you a quick tour of how Mombasa is, and we'll be really loving to check on how our lovely city Mombasa is, as we wait for our lovely sister and my lovely son Melo is going to come today. But before that, I'll be giving you a quick tour and show you how empty today Mombasa is, because people have been evacuated from this place. And yeah, it's really shocking for me. So we are going to see the live bomb, you know. live bomb. Hopefully we'll be able to zoom and check on how the blast will be, the bomb blast. So let's try and check on this. Ensure subscribe, like, share and leave us a comment. Today is a dull day, very empty day. Let's just make a U-turn and we'll see how everything is. All right, bombshell. see around, people have been dispersed from this area 1 kilometer, and they are really moving around. So let me go and show you some of the roads that are being closed towards the building. Like this one has been already closed, the way you see. People are being vacated from that place. Also, where we are heading, it's not as much as normal days, you know. So a place like here, they already have ambulances ready. They have closed. Let me show you. A different group of people around, see, all way. Want us to park somewhere. So guys, this is how you see the zone, and literally this is how you'll be able to see people moving around. So people are being pushed far away. Actually, the building is far away on this end straight. That's why you see people are being, there's also a very big group of people being pushed. So all people are being dispersed from the other end of the places towards this end. So we'll be heading to a place known as Mamangina. So that's actually 1.2 kilometers from the real area. As you see, also this guy's getting away with his sugar cane. Crazy. Okay, come bro. So it has been crazy, and the residents have been here, as you see, all the way through. So people are sitting the way they are. So the road is clear actually. So people are being, so this is how you see the people who are around here. They are being asked like, why? There's a lot of questions to be asked actually. Why, and why Mombasa? Because this is a situation that has to be seen using what you call like the engineers, the constructors, and also the foremen who are always doing this. They have to be very vigilant of what they are doing. So on this other end, that's how you say it. So as you see on this other end, people have been moved from the other side towards this area. So the road is clear, and the KDF, or the Kenya Defense Force, is doing its thing, or its thing on the other side. And also through this side, that's how you see people are moving around, you know. So everybody is in a shock, like what's happening. Also me, I've never seen that. So let's try and see. You know, with me, I'm bringing you live one-on-one from this side of Mombasa, Kenya. The real bombshell is here. The bomb is So guys, this is what has been happening all the way through. So people are now being allowed to move freely, but we have been going on this through end, and actually the government, the Mombasa County government, have decided to demolish that building completely using the bombs. But unfortunately, I say unfortunately, the owner has really went a loss of over 300 million. That's what's being said around here, according to the rumors that's being said by people. So on the other end, as you see, the streets is clear, but on this other end, people are kind of gathering. Some are bored, some are really feeling as if they can the earth can burst, and they stay. So anyway, it has been a crazy head up and down for this crazy moment of taking off the bomb. It's crazy way. So let me go there and see how, maybe I can ask if the bomb has been detonated or not. You know? This is what you see in Mombasa right now. This is the current situation in Mombasa. And let me know if you have heard the bomb. So the police are here. The police are now trying to mingle now. They are now kind of friendly with people, because the other time they were chasing us far away with a lot of canes and everything. But for now they are really friendly. So maybe I can ask what's happening with these people around, and maybe I can hear, you know. So this is what we have seen on this other end. So people have just sat down, and also on the end we already have Red Cross with us, the media, everybody's just doing it well. So everybody's just trying, the Red Cross were here and they're trying to get interviewed over there, and yeah, enforcement, everyone has been doing their own better and great things all the way. So this is what has been happening around here, and still it's going to be. Let me show you from here if I can zoom. Okay, I'm trying to take a picture, you know. That's what you see around here, all the way through. Every sector of security has been here. So every sector of security, starting from the enforcement unit, inspectorate, going to the police, going to the NYS, going to the JC, everyone, the bombs. So everyone is here. You know, so that's why you see it has been a hectic session since in the morning up to now. So for now we are waiting for them to give us a go ahead. All the way to the other side. So this is the real situation that is really happening around here in Mombasa. So people are being dispersed from this other end all the way through, far away from this side. So they are being pushed so that they can move, as you see. Also the cars and everything are being pushed all the way. Shops has been closed. There's nothing much that is going on around here in the city. Actually, business has been brought down, everything, shops has been closed, as you see on the other end. People are residing on the buildings. The biggest market, Marikiti, on the other side, there you see this other building that you see here. It's called Marikiti, so it's the biggest market here in Mombasa. People come from different places to come and do some shopping over here, but literally everything has gone down, you know. The other building that was under construction that really corrupt. So today they are going to do what you call like the bombshell or the bomb blast of them. All right. So that's how you see most of the Mombasa County government. Most of the servants are here all the way through. So the way is clear, as you see on the other end. And also through this side, that's how you see. We have a lot of emergencies also starting from the other side of this end. That's what you see. So just keep on moving, and we see there's a lot of helpline, a lot of people around here. Also we have a lot of emergencies. You see St. John, we see County Government of Mombasa Fire Rescue Team. So in case of anything, as you see, things will be really much and okay. So yeah, we're keeping on updating you about how everything is. The first bomb, the last bomb that was it back in the year 1990s. Now today we are here again with some of other experts who are going to do the experts who are going to bring down the building. You know? All right.